Spacewalk officers here in Mission Control report that both suits are operating to perfection as we begin to see Tim Kopra emerging from the Quest airlock. This the start of the third spacewalk of his career. The Quest airlock was installed on the International Space Station during the STS-104 mission of the shuttle Atlantis in July of 2001.
Tim Peake, just keep hanging for a second. We're trying to get a good camera on what we're looking at.
Copy that.
And there is a close-up view of Tim Kopra working at the base of the 1B solar array. Again, as he attaches various pieces of equipment to handrails and other attach points. In the lower left-hand portion of this view is the mast canister for the 1B array. That holds the electronics essentially that governs the operation of the array and the direction of electrical potential down to the sequential shunt unit that will be replaced during the next night pass about 47 minutes from now.
All right, gentlemen, looking great. Glad to see you both out there together on the tip of the world. We have two good WVS views, and they are spectacular.
And Tim Peake now has joined Kopra at the base of the 1B solar array, right at the very end of the starboard truss of the International Space Station.
And Tim Peake, as you work your way around the mast canister there, feel free to look at the load pads and get some situational awareness of what they look like for a fully seated SSU.
And a good view of Tim Kopra, his feet now planted in that portable foot restraint. Again, that will give him leverage as he uses a ratchet wrench and a pistol grip tool to not only break the torque on the single bolt holding the failed sequential shunt unit in place, but ultimately to remove that single bolt and then be joined by Tim Peake to remove the failed unit from its location at the base of the 1B solar array. There are a series of tasks to be conducted by the flight control team here in Houston. They're called inhibits to make sure that all of the electrical systems are placed into a dormant mode during the time that the crew is handling this equipment at the base of the 1B solar array.